This is the Kia Soul EV 2015-2019, and when it comes to the torque that the manufacturer recommends for the wheel nuts, wheel bolts, it's 110 Newton meters or 80 pound-feet. What does it mean? It means that when you are in emergency and you're replacing the wheel and you're installing some spare wheel, or you're repairing your wheel and need to take it out. Anyway, when you're installing it, you need to tighten these bolts with your hand. So hand tighten. There are a lot of people who try tighten this with their feet, and it means that you will over tighten the bolts. You may damage the thread, you may damage the hub, you may damage the wheel. So in this case, it's gonna be expensive. What you need to do is to hand tighten the bolts and then go slowly to the nearest tire shop or repair shop and ask them to check the torque of the nuts of the bolts with the torque wrench, and that would be the best way, but not foot tightening these bolts, please.